What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan, and we're going to do a quick unboxing. This is from Amazon, and I will put it in the description on what it is, what I got, but if I'm not mistaken, I went to TheJ Jordan Mechanic. He was doing this video about the LED, the little camera lights, and I said, hey, I wanted one of those, so here you go right here. It said the devil eyes. You got the devil eyes, that's the name of them. But it got different types of lights. I actually got two of them. So I got two of them because I'm gonna put it on my truck. But you can put anything on there, you know what I mean, as you're driving. So you get an idea. You know what I mean? I'm gonna have, so I can have something sitting in the front, and also something in the back. Thank you to TheJ Jordan the Mechanic. TheJ Jordan the Mechanic. But I know he also be doing a lot of stuff on there. If I said the name wrong, I definitely apologize. I will put the right information in the description. But it's the Jordan the Mechanic, TheJ Jordan the Mechanic. I got the link from him in the description there, so I can get the correct one. And you can do the same thing as well. And he said he would help me put it up, so I might call you out for it and see how you get it done. But until next time, go show some love to everybody. Remember, do stuff at your own pace, own moderation. Stress, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Remember, like I always say, fitness is key. Peace and hair grease. Ooh wee, ha holla.